Hello, this is an unboxing video. Manufacturer number is 2272000. This is made by Umarex. It's a Walther P22 clear 6mm pellet pistol. I have this item pre-packaged for you so you can see what comes in the box. Comes with 400 plastic BBs. It does come with an extra clip. Pull that out here. In the back it does have your operating instructions for the pistol. To release the clip, you would just press down right here and it would just drop like that. And it will hold 20 airsoft rounds per mag. It's spring operated. That comes with some airsoft BBs and an extra P22 mag, like I said. And again, this is your Umarex Walther P22 clear 6mm airsoft pistol.